Yo, yo, it's your boy Carolina P. Back with another one. It's my 12 gauge. Just got it, just picked it up. Never fired it. Came with all this ammo. Sick deal. I'll tell you how much I paid for everything when we get a little further in the video. Yeah, this is real wood. They don't make guns like this anymore. Real steel, real wood. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 1967. Think about what was going on in the 1960s. Segregation, all kind of shit. Yeah, it was making good guns like this. This should be pretty easy, man. Pretty self-explanatory. Got 3 targets. I fill 2 of them up with water. Try to knock them down, man. We're gonna see what kind of punch this thing packs. I want to show y'all what it looked like overall. How tall this motherfucker? This motherfucker damn near tall as me. Just got off. Yeah, man, that's it. She did pretty good if you ask me. 150 bucks. Pretty much can't beat that. It's real wood, like I said. They don't make guns like this no more. I think this gun was made in the 60s, 1967, if I'm not mistaken. It's still together pretty, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty solid. I'm gonna go ahead and unload it. I'm gonna take it back in the truck. I'm in Alabama. You can't ride with loaded guns in Alabama. But yeah, man, it's a pretty nice one. How y'all think? Y'all think a scope on it? Yeah, man. So all over, tell me. Overall, tell me what y'all think about it, man.